Joseph handed them sackloads of food, and they groveled with base gratitude. Then unseen, Joseph dipped out around the neck and planted a cup in young Joseph's neck. When the brothers were ready to go, Joseph turned to them all with a terrible stare and said, "No! No! 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 No!
Stop! You robbers, your lips were numbers up. One of you has stolen my precious golden cup."
Joseph started searching through his brother's sacks. Everyone was nervous, no one could relax. Is it Reuben?
No.
Is it Simeon?
No.
Is it Naphtali?
No.
Is it Dan?
No.
Is it Asher?
No.
Is it Issachar?
No.
Is it Levi?
No.
Who's the man? Is it Zebulun?
No.
Is it Gad?
No.
Is it Judah?
No.
Is it him? Could it possibly be Benjamin?
Yes!
Benjamin, you nasty. Your crime has shook me to the core. Never in my whole career have I encountered this before. Guards, seize him, lock him in.